How to install Realtek audio driver on Windows 10. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can install up the Realtek or update it on our computer. So let's just get started with the process and download it on our device. So for that, you need to follow up some method. It is super easy. You can just go ahead and follow up this method. So the very first thing you can do is locate up your device manager. You can go to the search bar of your Windows and open up the device manager in your device. Once the device manager windows appear on your screen, you can locate up the option called Sound, Videos, and Game Controller. So you can look for this Realtek high definition audio right here. Just go ahead and right click on it. Go to Properties, and once clicked on Properties, you'll be finding this. And we're gonna locate and look out for the date, like when it was last updated. So once you have located up the date and the version of your driver of your Realtek, what you can do is head over to your Chrome browser and type in Realtek there. Once you reach over to the space, go ahead and click on the very first link, realtek.com, the official one, and head over to the space. Once here on this page, go to the menu bar at the top left corner, the three horizontal lines, and under here, go to download section. Just locate download, and under download, locate this computer peripherals, which is on the third. Once here, this will open up on your screen, and under here, go to product list. So under product list, choose up the subcategory. You can choose up this one right here, audio codecs, and after that is then you can go and look up for the subcategory for the PC audio codecs as well. Select this high definition audio codecs again, and after that is done, select up the latest one, the very first one, click on the software, and you will be taken to another page. Once here, locate up the 64 bits Windows 7, Windows 10, 11. You can also download it on 11 as well and update up your driver or install and download it. You can find this download option right here. Just go ahead and click on it and go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions and click on download this file. Once clicked, you'll be finding this section. You need to verify yourself by entering up the CAPTCHA on your screen and click on submit. Once submitted, it will automatically start to download on your device. You can just go ahead and look out to the downloads and set it up on your device just like that. So that is how you set up the download and install the Realtek high definition audio in your device as well, following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.